Hello and welcome to the channel. Today is a follow-up video on using this budget custom filter cleaner. So I'm going to test this myself for the first time, see how effective it is. I still have time to return these. So remember, as you remember the last video, I have a valve in it so water's coming into it, and we're going to spray it from the inside out to try to loosen some of the dirt. So here goes something. So the purpose of this is supposed to loosen the dirt from the inside out. So then you can come with the hose and then finish loosening the dirt with the hose. As you can see, the water is coming out. I do see some white spots, but it's really hard to tell. Right here, look, you see how it's becoming white? The problem is that this filter has all those holes. It's not a straight, clean shot because of that plastic cylinder that has those holes, but it does at least get some of the work done. You see right here how the water is, you see how it's turning white? Over here, see the white spots? You see? So it does help somewhat. Let's focus on an area over here. Now you could turn the knob and make it spray directional, but as you can see, it takes a little bit of effort, but as you can see where the water is coming out, you could see some of the clean spots, seeing the pleats. I'm gonna close this up a little bit and see how this performs, because this one has a, let me close it up a little bit. Okay, so see the water coming out? You can maybe try something where I could just this would be more effective if that cylinder had bigger holes, but I'm guessing that something is better than nothing. Some filters probably have bigger gaps in those holes, which will help assisting in the cleaning of the filter itself, the cartridge, not the filter. Anyway, I wanted to demonstrate it in action, so hopefully that answers questions. You can do this. This is very effective too, because it gets into. This is very effective because it gets into the pleats. Trying to hold the camera at the same time. Hold on. I like to think that it did help somewhat from the inside and loosening. You just need to adjust this to make it more directional. You need a screwdriver to adjust the screw, but as you can see, if we would be using this from the inside, if it didn't have those, the cylinder didn't have those holes, this is exactly the same. This is how effective it would be from the inside out as well. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. This is a multi-purpose tool, I guess. I guess it's a win-win. Again, I want to thank Mr. McDonald for the idea. And I'll just keep going at it. Let you guys go. Any questions you have, please post them below. Thanks for watching.